Gaming Tech. So today I'm going to show you how to make a automatic sugarcane farm. As you can see, and I know you have already seen in the thumbnail and in the title, so yeah, it will be really awesome, and you can get owned sugar canes or sugar, or you can get papers from them. So yeah, without wasting our time, let's roll the intro. So guys, for this thing you need 1 lever, 12 redstone, 1 redstone repeater, 7 piston, 1 chest, 9 hoppers, 7 sugar canes, 1 trapdoor. You can use any trapdoors you want. Then some buckets of water, 52 glass blocks, and 45 solid blocks. Okay, so let's grab those things real quick. Okay, so let's start with those. Firstly, you need to, I've just imagined and made it, so I have to see it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Firstly, place 9 blocks like this. Then do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 also here. Then place 7 pistons. Moving this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7. Then cover this up and also make 2x2 square like this. Then you have to do is Then you have to dig this place and find the middle. The middle is here, so dig 3 blocks like this. Firstly, place a chest, then grab the hopper and like this. Okay, no. So you have to dig 2x2 square. Dig 2x2. Okay, so then place the chest, then the hoppers like this. Okay, so the hoppers will connect each others. Okay guys, so for this you need to sneak and then connect the hoppers, otherwise it will not connect with each other. Okay, so then you have to do is place waters. Okay, you have to place the waters and place the sugar canes. Oh no, sorry, the sugar canes are growing, so that's why I can't do it. Okay, so then you have to do is so okay, a little more like this. Oh, so sorry, you have to destroy the corners like this and then filter it. Okay, so then this 2x2. Where's the 4 blocks? But I think I did something wrong. 8. Okay, so I have to do it like this. 1, 2. Yes, you have to do it like this. Okay, it's 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Okay, then place the glasses like this. Right? Okay. So then place the glasses like this. Okay. Like this. Then cover cover the roof with glass or anything you can use. It's totally your choice. You can do anything. Okay. So after that, you have to place a trapdoor like this, and this area will also fill with glass. This area will also fill with glass. Did I place 3 hoppers? No. let's cover this up and let's grab a glass. Okay, so now is the main point, how to do it. First of all, you need a, what is this? Okay, sorry, okay, so firstly you need to connect 3 redstones like this and place them, what is this called, lever, yes. Then place a redstone repeater facing this way, then do like this. Okay, so then do this. Okay, so now let's just, oh we forgot about the sugar canes. Let's grab ourselves the sugar cane. Okay. So then place the sugar canes like this. Okay, so now go up and close that. And when the sugar canes are fully grown, just tap the lever and it will be fallen. And as you guys see, I'm getting sugar canes really quickly. So yeah, this was the trick. And one tricky question is surrounding in your mind, that how the sugar canes are growing so fast. It's a secret, so let me tell you the secret. Let's go to the settings, then scroll down, and you can see that the random tick speed will always be 1. So just add 3, and you can't add more than 3 zeros, and then it will grow. I hope you enjoy this video, and if this video gets 8 likes, I will show you another cool farming trick. So that is all for today. If you enjoyed the video, then smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, peace out.